Hello guys, welcome to Toy Stories TV. Today we're going to play with some Play-Doh, Peppa Pig and George, and we are going to make some cookies. Everyone loves cookies, so do Peppa and George. Let's take some from the Play-Doh and let's make the first cookie. That's a cookie. That's a cookie for Peppa. Now we'll make it like this, like a real cookie. That's a cookie for Peppa. Now let's make another one. We'll take a little Play-Doh and we'll make like this. There's another cookie, and now we can use Peppa's feet to make like this. That's another cookie. Now let's make a little cookie for George. I think they are really yummy, they look nice. That's a cookie. Let's make some. Like this. That can be actually something almost like an ice cream. Just like this. I think Peppa and George love cooking with Play-Doh. Do you like cooking? And do you like playing with Play-Doh? If yes, you can subscribe for Toy Stories TV for more videos. Thank you. Let's put the Play-Doh back here. Thank you, Peppa. Thank you, George. I'll see you next time for more. Thank you. Bye.